bina la fadagan ora tarchi bina tuma na fadagan بعسيتو نبال ورابا ناخو تاكيا أقوم بو بعايا حي خبتي هدي هدي واي 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 وين بابا جاي يبوني تقدي قرارتي ما تيجي قرطلا يمي قرطلا بلي وحي كتير مجران وغند اللي يمي جقلي غير دي لغوتي يتوك غير خمسيتي من خمسيتي.
We are in Kor, which is the heart of Rendile land. It's one of the 2 towns of the Rendile people in northern Kenya, about 100 miles south of the Ethiopian border. This is a camel herding nomadic tribe that's been living a traditional lifestyle for thousands of years. They're located in northern Kenya in the Kaisut Desert. It's a harsh landscape, it's a dry landscape, but it does really well for their camel herds. The environment here has been severely ruined over the last few decades, really due to 2 causes. One is a larger, more general cause of global warming, and the second is from the people's shift in ways to a less nomadic culture, to a somewhat sedentary culture.
I grew up in this village, and when I was a kid in Kor, we used to go about half a kilometer from the main town. And in the main town, we could not go far because we had so many trees and we were afraid of the wildlife. You don't see the wildlife anymore, and the trees are no longer there. And the area that looked so forested and had trees no longer has those trees. The women will go a short distance to get these firewoods. And now they have to go, some will have to go 15 kilometers, 20 kilometers to get this firewood.
gorrandi lago radda kore agu guura gunusu agura intu furtada khalla qoron ka jira tollala inta yalle inta suni joga dheeraashe toro digi kirta inti dheer ka soo qaata خرقة والله تنقرتان وقت تردير انجدو أسعد إيشوك ساعد إيشوك ده شانا ميت إلى قلب ترو خرقة قط وأخباريات رتي وقط وأخباريات رتي شو قاعد يقلب كتمي إذا أنا فرن ترو كفوف ستا أما الستا ترينو غتيرتا
خرق مدوه تروي تيجاتو ميكتاي تاتي خور أورف فري أما تعلمه غاري كريسدا غاري تخور سوسونا ألف شن غوتا أغورات إتشو تولا أيرار دود إتاو مي حينانه خنات تلقى مجرتو أدو دو رجل في حاجنه غورلا نبحي مجرو كل دقن واخدها عندي لك نبحي ويتمجرو يدي تولا ليل ويتسنا يا حي.
One of the solutions we hope for this situation to help bring back the environment is biogas. We looked at what the community has plenty of. What is there? What resources are there that we can work with? And what was clear and obvious and was everywhere was manure. The droppings of the animals, particularly the goats. They're so plentiful, there's so many of them. It's even the reason why about every 6 months villages will have to move because the entire ground becomes covered with the goat droppings. So we knew we had plenty of manure. We thought, well, as we explored biogas, could we use goat manure to create gas? Could we replace firewood, something they don't have, something that's very difficult and very expensive now to get? Could we replace it with something that is free and readily available? That's the goat manure, and that's what we're attempting to do with this system.
Biogas is a gas. It's a cooking gas. Yeah, it's the easiest kind of gas you can produce and cook with it. The current model, as you see back here, we've put in coral, is a BG5. Flexi Biogas system. What the community need to do is to get 1 bucket of goat manure and a bucket of water, the mixture, and putting in the system. They'll probably get around 2,000 liters of gas a day. To get biogas, you can take the inputs which are readily available, the kitchen waste and the animal manure. You can get the biogas, which is in form of methane gas, and the bioslurry, which is organic fertilizer. So you get both fuel and fertilizer at the same time.
So we've started with one system to see how well that goes, how the community adopts to it. And hopefully the goal is that once they see it working, we're going to see the community coming to us and really getting behind this idea. And that's what's going to help us grow it and bring it out into the villages in a larger area that will really help make a difference in transforming the environment.
So in looking at the long-term effect, is more and more trees will regenerate. It won't take a short while, but it's a long-term effect. So it might generally in the next 10 years, we might get back the forest that used to be around here.